Hey, what's up, guys? So I have a 2001 BMW E46, and I'm having a crank but no start. Any of you guys out there with BMWs, if you guys can help me out, that would be awesome. So what happens is it's a manual. Put the clutch in, turn the key to run, and the temp gauge goes all the way to hot. And unfortunately, right now the car is dead because I've let it sit for a while. And yeah, so again, it cranks but won't turn over. I've gotten a new key, and I actually programmed it myself with the forgot what it's called, but it's a tool for the BMWs. And also bought some programming stuff, and I programmed the EWS to the key, and it just, again, it won't turn over. The temp gauge goes to red, and it just cranks. I'm exhausted. I don't know what else to do. It happened after I changed my oil, and unfortunately my original key, I left it under the car while it was on little ramps, and I got in the car, and the car was in neutral. I let go of the parking brake, and the car rolled down, and the key got smashed. And that key was it's no good no more. So again, I programmed the key and everything like that. So again, if any of you guys have a BMW and had those symptoms, crank no start, temp gauge goes too hot, right off the top, send me a message or comment below. Thanks.